Let's see how to do MLA citation format in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to format your paper into an MLA format, here is what you will need. First, you need 1-inch margins in your document. So to do that, go ahead and head over to the Layout tab. Now click on Margins and click on the normal margin right here, which has 1-inch margins across all edges. Next, font should be Times New Roman and size 12. Next, our text should all be double spaced. Now to do that, first highlight your text. Now click on this option right here in the paragraph section that says line and paragraph spacing. Now click on 2 and that should double space your text. And from here, include a 4-line MLA heading on the first page, which includes your name. Just go ahead and type your name, the instructor's name, the course name, as well as the date. And after that, let's put our title at the center of the page, just like that, and add a 0.5-inch indentation for each paragraph. So our paragraphs should be aligned at the left. Now to add a 0.5-inch indent, simply click on the Tab key in your keyboard, just like that, and you can now begin typing your paragraph. And just like that, we now have formatted our document into the MLA format. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.